God. Holy fuck. Yo, bro. Look at this car. Yo, it's on fire. It's on fire on the bottom. It's on fire. It's on fire. Yeah, for real. For real, it was. On my mom. On everything I love.
No way. Oh, it's right. Trust. It'll come out now. You sure?
No, look, it's in the motor. It's in the motor. It's in the motor, Alex. Watch out. Yo, get my bag.
Where's your bag?
Right there. Oh. Holy shit.
Open it. No way.
It's done? Watch out, bro. Like, I gotta take it to the shop? No. Bro. Nah. Yo, we made history, man. We making history, y'all. Oh, no, we about to get in trouble, though, right? Holy fuck. It might explode.